Imagine this: someone does something harmful to you, believing they can escape the consequences. They walk away, thinking their actions won't come back to them. But here's the truth, and it's something the chosen ones know deeply: the universe never forgets. Every action, every word, every intention is like a reflection in a mirror. What you send out is what you get back. The mirror of karma is always at work, silently recording every deed. For those who harm others, especially those who harm the chosen ones, there's an inevitable consequence. The energy they send out into the world, whether positive or negative, will eventually return to them, often in ways they least expect. This is not just about revenge or justice, it's about the natural law of balance in the universe. When you understand this principle, you start to see that everything in life is interconnected, and nothing happens by accident. The fate of those who harm the chosen ones is sealed by their own actions, and the universe ensures that the balance is restored. The stakes couldn't be higher. When someone chooses to harm you, they aren't just hurting you in the moment. They are setting into motion a chain of events that will eventually come back to haunt them. The universe is a place of perfect equilibrium, and it doesn't allow any imbalance to persist for long. If someone sends out negativity, they will inevitably receive it back, often multiplied. The pain and suffering they inflict on others, especially on a chosen one, will find its way back to them. This isn't about punishment, it's about the natural order of things. The universe responds to the energy we put out. If it's harmful, that same harm will return to the source. The stakes for negative actions are nothing short of the karmic consequences that can shape their lives in ways they can't even imagine. Understanding this should make us all more mindful of the energy we put into the world. For those who act with ill intent, they may find that the very darkness they spread is the darkness that engulfs them. The law of cause and effect, often referred to as karma, is one of the most profound principles governing our existence. Every action we take, every word we speak, every thought we think sends ripples through the universe. These ripples eventually come back to us, creating our reality. This is not just a spiritual concept, it's a universal law that applies to everyone, whether they believe in it or not. The chosen ones, in particular, are acutely aware of this law. They understand that their actions and intentions have far-reaching consequences, not just for themselves, but for those around them. This awareness shapes their lives, guiding them to act with integrity, compassion, and mindfulness. However, not everyone understands or respects this law. There are those who believe they can act without consequences, harming others without ever facing the repercussions. But the law of cause and effect is impartial and inescapable. It operates beyond our understanding of time and space, ensuring that the energy we put out into the world eventually returns to us. For those who harm the chosen ones, this law guarantees that their actions will come back to them, often when they least expect it, and in ways they cannot foresee. Understanding this principle is the first step in recognizing the interconnectedness of all things and the importance of living in alignment with the higher laws of the universe. The chosen ones are not just ordinary individuals, they are protected by a force greater than themselves. This protection is not always visible, but it is always present. When someone harms a chosen one, they are not just committing an act against a person, they are challenging a divine order. The universe has a way of safeguarding those who walk the path of light and truth. This sacred protection ensures that any harm directed toward a chosen one is reflected back to its source. It might not happen immediately, but it will happen. The protection of the chosen ones is rooted in their alignment with higher spiritual laws and their commitment to a path of righteousness. This alignment grants them an unseen shield, one that ensures that any negative energy sent their way is absorbed and then returned to where it originated. The universe is meticulous in maintaining balance, and when someone attempts to disrupt the harmony of a chosen one's life, they are met with forces beyond their comprehension. This sacred protection is a reminder that the universe is always watching, always aware, and always ready to restore balance. Every harmful intention carries with it an echo that resonates through time and space. When someone directs harm towards a chosen one, that intention doesn't simply disappear into the ether, it creates an echo that eventually returns to the sender. This echo can manifest in various ways, often mirroring the original harm, but amplified through the lens of the universe's justice. The chosen ones, being deeply connected to the spiritual realm, are often aware of these echoes long before they manifest in the physical world. They sense the vibrations of harmful intentions, and while they may feel the initial sting, they also know that the echo will return to the one who sent it. This is not about revenge, it's about the natural consequence of living in a universe governed by spiritual laws. The echo of harmful intention serves as a powerful reminder that our thoughts, words, and actions have far-reaching consequences. When someone harms a chosen one, they are effectively setting a trap for themselves, for the energy they release will inevitably come back to them, often in ways they never anticipated. The echo is a lesson in humility and a reminder that the universe is always listening, always watching, and always ready to reflect back the energy we project. One of the most powerful tools the chosen ones possess is the ability to forgive and release. Forgiveness is not about condoning the harmful actions of others, it's about freeing oneself from the burden of negativity and allowing the universe to take care of the rest. When a chosen one is harmed, their natural inclination is to rise above the situation, understanding that holding on to anger or resentment only serves to harm themselves. By forgiving those who harm them, the chosen ones break the cycle of negativity and release the karmic consequences to the universe. This act of forgiveness is a powerful declaration of trust in the universal laws of justice. It's an acknowledgement that while harm may have been done, the universe will ensure that balance is restored. The power of forgiveness lies in its ability to transform not just the chosen one, but also the energy surrounding the entire situation. By choosing to forgive, the chosen ones effectively neutralize the negative energy directed toward them, allowing it to return to its source without causing further harm. This power of release is a testament to the spiritual maturity of the chosen ones and their deep understanding of the laws that govern our existence. It's a reminder that true strength lies not in holding on to grudges, but in letting go and trusting the process of the universe. Divine justice is an essential concept that underscores the spiritual journey of the chosen ones. While human justice is often flawed and limited by the constraints of society, divine justice operates on a higher plane, ensuring that the scales are balanced in ways that we may not always understand. When a chosen one is wronged, it is not just a personal affront, it is an affront to the universal order. Divine justice ensures that every action, whether good or bad, is met with an appropriate response. This justice is not always immediate, but it is inevitable. The universe has a way of correcting imbalances, and those who harm the chosen ones often find themselves facing consequences that seem to come out of nowhere. Divine justice operates on its own timeline, but it is always precise, always fair, and always in alignment with the greater good. For the chosen ones, trusting in divine justice allows them to move forward with peace, knowing that the universe will take care of those who have wronged them. It is a reminder that no deed goes unnoticed and that the universe is constantly working to maintain balance and harmony. Karmic reversal is a powerful process that occurs when the energy sent out by an individual returns to them, often in unexpected and transformative ways. For those who harm the chosen ones, this reversal can be particularly intense, as it is amplified by the spiritual protection surrounding the chosen ones. Karmic reversal doesn't just bring back the negative energy, it often comes with lessons that the individual needs to learn in order to grow and evolve. This process is not about punishment but about correction and realignment with the spiritual laws of the universe. The chosen ones understand that when someone harms them, the energy will eventually reverse and return to the sender. This understanding allows them to remain calm and centered, knowing that the universe will handle the situation. Karmic reversal is a natural consequence of living in a universe governed by the law of cause and effect. It serves as a reminder that every action has a reaction and that the energy we put out into the world will inevitably come back to us, shaped by the intentions behind it. Spiritual growth plays a significant role in how karma manifests in our lives. For the chosen ones, their commitment to spiritual growth and development strengthens their connection to the universe and enhances their ability to navigate the complexities of karma. As they grow spiritually, they become more attuned to the subtle energies that govern their reality, allowing them to avoid negative karma and create positive outcomes. This growth also makes them more resilient to the negative actions of others, as they are able to rise above the pettiness and negativity that often accompanies harmful behavior. For those who harm the chosen ones, their lack of spiritual growth can lead to a more severe karmic response, as they are less equipped to handle the consequences of their actions. The impact of spiritual growth on karma is profound, as it not only influences the individual's personal journey but also affects the way they interact with the world around them. The chosen ones understand that their spiritual growth is their greatest asset, allowing them to transform negative situations into opportunities for learning and advancement. Compassion is one of the most potent forces in the universe, and it has a unique ability to shape karma in ways that are transformative for both the giver and the receiver. For the chosen ones, practicing compassion, even toward those who have harmed them, is a way of elevating their spiritual vibration and ensuring that their karma is positive. Compassion allows them to break the cycle of negativity and replace it with love and understanding. This doesn't mean condoning harmful actions, rather, it means recognizing the pain and ignorance that often drive such actions and responding with empathy. By choosing compassion, the chosen ones not only protect their own energy but also influence the karma of those who harm them. This compassionate approach often leads to unexpected outcomes, as it can soften the hearts of those who were once intent on causing harm. The power of compassion is a testament to the strength of the chosen ones and their ability to transform even the darkest situations into opportunities for growth and healing. Inner peace is the cornerstone of the chosen one's ability to navigate the complex web of karma. When faced with harm or negativity, the chosen ones rely on their deep sense of inner peace to remain centered and grounded. This inner peace is cultivated through practices such as meditation, prayer, and mindfulness, and it serves as a shield against the chaos of the external world. For the chosen ones, inner peace is not just a state of being, it is a powerful tool that allows them to rise above the turmoil and maintain a clear connection to their higher selves. This connection enables them to respond to negative situations with grace and wisdom, rather than reacting with fear or anger. Inner peace allows the chosen ones to see beyond the immediate circumstances and trust in the larger plan of the universe. It is this peace that sustains them through the trials and challenges of life, ensuring that they remain aligned with their purpose and protected from the negative karma that others may try to impose on them. In the end, the fate of those who harm the chosen ones is sealed by the universal law of balance. This law ensures that every action, every intention, and every thought is accounted for, and that the energy we put into the world will always return to us. The chosen ones, with their deep understanding of these spiritual principles, live their lives in alignment with this law, trusting that the universe will always restore balance. They know that they are protected by forces greater than themselves, and that any harm directed toward them will ultimately be reflected back to the source. This trust in the universal law of balance allows the chosen ones to live with peace, compassion, and strength, knowing that they are always supported by the divine. As they continue on their spiritual journey, they remain confident that the universe will take care of those who harm them, ensuring that justice is served and balance is maintained. This is the power of the chosen ones, the power to trust, to forgive, and to rise above, knowing that what goes around always comes around.